Fairmont here. We got this side, the flywheel off, that side. We've heated it and heated it and heated it and nothing. It will not come off. This one came off like butter, which was nice. So, flywheel there. Where is it? There. Big wood drift. That's all that holds it on. It's not a taper or anything. But I'm going to pull this guy off and see what's going on, because, like I say, I've never been into one of these, but that looks like almost brush material. See that? Yeah. And it doesn't pop out, so I'm going to try and get that off and see how this goes.
I feel like all bolts are the same freaking size.
Yeah, it does look like they are pretty much. And all things considered, this is a pretty small looking little engine. There. It says top. Easy enough to get back on. Okay, let's see here. More wonderful silicone. We don't use silicone on engines, we use gaskets. Not too bad though. Yeah, it's locked into place on the shaft, so I'm just going to leave that alone. Well, I guess we could pop this out, disconnect the crank, and pop everything out that way. Yeah, might as well do that, so we'll get back to you here in a minute. Alright, so we got that cap off. Everything just slid right over, which is kind of nice. Took the connecting rod apart, got the piston out, and the cylinder, yeah, it's going to be kind of hard, is mint. There. Cylinder's mint, and piston has a little touch of scoring on it, but I think it'd be absolutely fine. I'm not going to run it for 15 hours a day. So now we're just going to try and slide everything out off this side and just keep soaking this flywheel. So there shouldn't be anything holding it now. Alright, we'll get back to you when we're about to take that off. Alright, should be almost ready here. We'll make some new gaskets, so don't worry about that. Okay, stand by, everyone. Okay, there, we got it. A little bit of finagling.
Okay. Yep.
Not bad. Huh. Alright.
New gaskets.
Yeah, we'll make a new one.
Using for patterns.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
Maybe,
set this down.
Dad, you want to grab the king nut or castle nut and throw it on the end of that shaft so we can put it down in the box? Sorry. Some oil in it. I guess all that's left in there is the throttle. I don't know how that works, but I guess we can find that out too. That's it though. She's apart. That is so tiny.
Yeah.
Cool.
Silicone.
Yeah, silicone everywhere. Box of parts. Rad in the hopper top. Probably try and get that rad fixed or maybe get a replacement. We'll see. And then soak that guy for the next year. Anyways, I guess there's nothing really else to show you guys because we're done. It's all apart. I don't think we're going to need to take that out, so I'll just leave that well enough alone because everything functions. So we'll leave that for now, and if we need to, we need to. But for now, I guess we'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.